Welcome students. Today we will discuss a problem on diagonal scale. So the problem is draw a diagonal scale of RF 1 is to 2.5 showing centimeters and millimeters and long enough to measure 20 centimeters. So this is our problem of diagonal scale. So RF is given, maximum length to be measured is also given, and we are to show centimeters and millimeters. From maximum length it is clear that it is 20 centimeter. So the bigger unit is tens of centimeter and smaller is unit centimeter or 1 centimeter, and we are to show millimeters. So there are 3 units to be shown. One is 10 centimeter, other is single centimeter, and other is 1 by 10 centimeter, or you can say 1 mm. So these are 3 units which we will show on this diagonal scale, right? We will start with RF. We will find the length of scale by using the maximum length to be measured for drawing the scale. Okay. So RF is given, one is to 2.5. Maximum length to be measured is 20 centimeter. So our LOS, length of scale, comes out to be 1 is to 2.5 into 20 centimeter. It is equal to 200 upon 25 centimeter. Okay, is equal to 8 centimeter. So our diagonal scale is of RF 1 is to 2.5 given, LOS is equal to 8 centimeter. Now we will draw the diagonal scale. So first of all, we will draw a line (8 centimeter) long. Okay, so this line is 8 centimeter long. So it is showing 20 centimeter. So mind this thing that it is showing 20 centimeter. The treatment of line will be according to 20 centimeter, not according to 20 cent, not according to 8 centimeter. Okay. So this is 20 centimeter. To show, we are to show centimeters. Maximum length given is 20 centimeter. So the biggest unit of centimeter is 10 centimeter. So when we divide 20 centimeter by 10, we get 2. So we will divide this line into 2 equal parts. So we can draw an acute angle with this line and divide this acute angle into 2 equal parts. So this is first part, this is second part. Okay. Join the second part with the end point of the line. Okay. Now next step is to draw a line parallel to this line. Both these lines are thin lines. Mind this thing. So I'll make it thin line. Okay. Now this gives us two parts where each part is of 10 centimeters. So tens of the centimeter is the main unit. So the total distance was 20 centimeter. So we have divided it by the main unit, that's 10 centimeters, and we have divided this line into two equal parts. Now we'll complete our diagonal scale box. So this line you can draw 40 to 45 mm. So this is our scale, diagonal scale with two parts. Now we'll divide this first part into 10 parts. Here write here 0. Draw an acute angle with this baseline, divided into 10 parts, equal parts. So for dividing this in equal parts, you will use compass. Okay, open compass, this small length, and mark these arcs over this, and you will divide it into equal parts, 10 equal parts. Now these are 10 equal parts. Join the last part, 10th part, with the end point of first division, first box. Okay. So set the drafter in line with this line, which is joining 10 and 0, and draw parallel lines from every point to this line. So these are the parallel lines drawn to this line. So these lines will be crossing by some distance the baseline. Now next step is draw an acute angle over here and divide this acute angle into 10 equal parts. So this is 1, 2, join the 10th part with this endpoint. Now set the drafter in line with this line and draw the lines parallel from other points. Now Here this is our 0, this is first division, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is 5 and here we have 10. Okay. Here is 9. So join the 9th division of this main division with top of the 10th like this. So this is the diagonal. So this is the diagonal for our diagonal scale. Now from each and every point, draw lines parallel to this line. Set the drafter in line with this line and draw parallel lines through all other points of intersection. So this is our diagonal, these are our diagonals, and from these intersections draw horizontal line to the base. So this is one line, so these lines are 10 lines. Now this completes our construction of the diagonal scale for the given problem. Now the things that we are to write or the information. So first is the RF. So write over here RF in uppercase letters. You can draw guidelines, thin guidelines to write this. For example, if I want to write now the units, centimeters, I will draw the guidelines and use the capital letters to write centimeters. Centimeters, rather these are ten centimeters. These are simple centimeters, these are millimeters. And these are millimeters. So this completes our problem on diagonal scale. So next we will do the problem number 2 on diagonal scale. Thank you.